amazing. I hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, today I'm solo traveling. I'm in the Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. I'm heading right now to take a flight to London just to make a layover in my way to Las Vegas, Nevada in the US. Kind of a experience that we are going to do this time. It's only 3 days. I'm going for work. I hope I'm going to be able to show you around. I will have kind of a packed agenda this time, but I will try to escape and show you a little bit of the Vegas Strip and the MGM Grand. But yeah, just taking the advantage and show you a little bit of this trip. So yeah, just as you can see, I'm right now at the airport in Amsterdam. Yeah. It's gonna be great. So next stop, see you in London. Hey guys, I just made it to London Heathrow Airport. So it was kind of a long transfer, kind of a labyrinth thing. Just have to take a train and pass security again. Now I'm just waiting to take my new gate, but my flight is leaving in about 4 hours. So I guess I'm just gonna find a place to chill, maybe to eat something, although I'm not really hungry. So next stop, Vegas. Keep you posted. Hey guys, thank you for joining me now. We are just outside of the MGM Grand, and yeah, we are today in Las Vegas. So after our trip going from Amsterdam, making a stopover in London Heathrow, finally we reach our destination, and yep, we are in Las Vegas, baby. But as you can see there straight ahead, well, it's the Vegas Boulevard, so we can see there is some castle. I think there are some hotels like the Manhattan, the Pyramid, the Luxor, the Wynn, Mandalay, and there are some helicopters right now flying around. So let's discover and explore what we can find in here. So I hope you like it. Remember, as usual, click like, subscribe, comment below, and enjoy the video. Wow, it's really cool. There's some bridge in here, so maybe we can go and have a look on the Manhattan Island. I'm pretty curious about it, so let's go. And even there, like straight ahead, you can see the top of the Eiffel Tower. Definitely we will go and have a look at that. Like I don't even have expectations. Like I don't know how many things there are in here, but I mean, yeah. Let's go to New York. New York, New York, Hotel and Casino. Here there is like a shop, New York shop, of the Statue of Liberty, souvenir stuff. All these hotels, they seem to have like all the same like fast food court area. they do have casino. So basically you just want to come and play around. So this is what the people just come and do in Vegas, like just come and play, have some party, drinks, bachelor parties, and well, yeah, remember, whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. So keep walking in Manhattan, and this is the, I suppose, some kind of the Brooklyn Bridge. Cool, huh? Look guys, here we have the Hard Rock Cafe, and in here we have another hotel from the MGM Grand. So it's like a Park MGM. Let's just cross on the other side. I don't want to get killed here just by crossing the street. Bruno Mars is gonna give some shows. Absolutely full of life, this city. I mean, by night. I mean, 24 hours probably. So we made it to Paris, and we're in front of the Planet Hollywood. So we just walk all the way from the MGM Grand here to this part of the city. So guys, welcome to Sin City, to one of the cities that never sleep. Let's see if we can still go further ahead to Paris, but I mean, let's just go and keep going. Here we just made it in front of the Bellagio Hotel, and in here we can see the famous fountain that is just like makes like a super show. Maybe we can just get closer and see if we can see the show of the fountain. The noise in here is crazy, and here we got it. Here we got it, guys. The fountain show. Amazing. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, this is like a replica of Fontana di Trevi. Okay guys, so with this view behind me of the Bellagio and the Cesar Palace, I hope that you enjoyed this video of walking tour in Las Vegas, and see you next time with a new video. Take care. Cheers.